So, good morning, student. This is class third. Class third. Subject is GSC, and date is 4 2021. 4th May 2021. We are studying lesson 9, soil. Lesson 9, soil. Lesson 9, soil. In this lesson, last time we studied about the what is soil and how soil is formed, and also studied one activity to show that soil contains water. Now there is another activity. By this activity, we can show that soil contains air. So, what is aim of this activity? Aim to show that soil contain soil contains air. This is the activity, and our aim is to show that soil contains air. Now, materials required. Materials required. What materials are required here? So, garden soil, jar, and water. One is garden soil, jar, and water. Only three things are needed. Only three things are needed. One is garden soil, jar, and water. So, what you have to do in this activity? First, you take a jar, you take a jar. Take a jar and put some garden soil. Some garden soil you have to keep here. So, this is jar. In jar you have kept garden soil. Garden soil is not any special soil, but you can take the soil from the field, etc. etc. So you have to, in the jar, you have take the water, take the soil. Now pour water. You pour some water into the soil. If you pour the water, pour with the help of the wall of the jar. With the help of the wall at the edge of the jar, you have to pour some amount of the water. And water is filled here. So this activity. So what you have to do? You have to take soil, a little amount of the soil in the jar, and pour the water in the jar. Now what you will observe? Observation, you will find some air bubbles coming from the soil. Air bubbles coming from the soil. From where these air bubbles coming? Air bubbles coming from inside the soil. Air bubbles are found in between the soil particles, and when the water is filled, then spaces which are found in between soil particles are occupied by the water, and air is escaped. So by this activity we can show that soil contains air. So once again you can see the aim to show that soil contains air. Materials required: only garden soil and jar and the water. 3 things are needed. And method, very simple method. You take soil in the jar and pour water in the jar. Observation, what you observe? Air bubbles coming up from the soil. What observation you find? Observation. Air bubbles. Coming up from the soil. This is your observation. From where these air bubbles coming? Air bubbles are found in between these soil particles. And when these spaces are occupied by the water, these airs comes out in the form of air bubbles. So in this way, by this experiment, we can prove that soil contains air. So thank you, that's for today. Next time we will discuss about the kinds of soil.